Hello, I'm Dr. Macon Singletary. I'm your friendly North Raleigh Periodontics. Welcome. Today we're going to talk about our practice philosophy and the technology that we have here today. Our practice philosophy is that we treat you as family. When you walk through that front door, we're going to greet you in a way that like you are part of us. And when we put you in the chair, we're going to do to you what we would want done to ourselves. So that's our brand, that's our thrust of providing care for you. And part of that is being up to date with technology that we have available to us. And I'm excited to talk about some of that today. One is laser therapy. Waterlase or Waterlase therapy is a light and water treatment that allows the light to go into inflamed tissue. When we do minimally invasive procedures, it helps us with our regeneration. It helps us speed up the procedure for healing, and you're less sore afterwards. And I don't charge for that. That's just part of what my regeneration protocol is. I'm glad to offer that because it does make a difference with our results post-surgically. We also have the airflow therapy, which is part of the regeneration protocol as well. It's erythritol. It's a natural sugar. We're trying to go more natural treatment modalities that we have here available to you. The airflow therapy, the light and water with the laser. The airflow, the erythritol around implants is kinder to the implants as well. Pumice tends to damage the implant post, and you patients that have implants, it's important that that post is cleaned, but done in a way that won't damage it. I'm seeing an uptick in periodontititis, and we're going to talk about that in one of my other videos about what that means. But the technology we have available here is going to really speed up the healing, but also make it more comfortable for you. Also, we have cone beam technology. This 3D imaging. Our ability to see pathology, be able to determine where we can put implants and what kind of implants we can put in for you, and it helps us guide the implant placement. So this technology is just wonderful, and we can eventually we're going to have robotics, but that won't be for a while. But they used cone beam technology to do that. We also have the Florida Probe. It's a voice-activated system that came from Dr. Sam Lau at the University of Florida. And we put the numbers on the computer, and it assimilates the information that when we're gently probing around the necks of your teeth, those areas that space deeper than 3 millimeters, you can't clean that. And we're looking at inflammation, we're recording that, we're looking at recession, we're looking at the pocket depths. And based upon what we see, we can analyze how you've been doing over time. That's why the periodontal maintenance appointments are so important, because we're documenting throughout your visits with us how you're doing periodontally. So this technology all helps assimilate it, goes up into the cloud. We can share it with anybody. I'm excited about it. We're really moving forward with what we're trying to do here. We're paperless. You know, we want to make sure that our environment is respected. And that's again with the erythritol, all natural. It's a natural sugar, and the pumice is damaging. So these are things that we're thinking about. We try to implement here just to serve you. Please give us a call. We'd love to talk to you. I'm your friendly North Raleigh Periodontics, and keep smiling.